Hi there, Stanton here from AlgoTrading. Welcome to another edition of AlgoTrading Live. Tonight we're going to be talking about how you can earn money selling your signals on the BYBIT MT5 platform. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so before you start selling your signals, you first need to get an MQL5 account. All you need to do is go to mql5.com, register, and create an account. Now, how do you create a signal? So the first thing you need to do is go into the signals section of the MQL5 website, and you would go to signals. I'm not going to click around. I'm just going to show you this really quickly, and then there will be a button there called create signal. So once you create a signal, click create signal, you'll come up to a page like this. You put in the name of the signal, which platform it is, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. In this case, it will be MetaTrader 5. You'll put your logging ID that you get from your MetaTrader 5 terminal. So if you go to click on your account, you'll put in that login ID, and then you would use your investor password. Now remember when I showed you how to download BYBIT MetaTrader 5 platform and you received an investor password, this is what that is used for. Essentially, an investor account is an account that has read-only access to your MetaTrader 5 platform. So if anyone happens to get your investor password, they would not be able to trade or withdraw money or anything like that. It's just a read-only access to your data or to your trades. So if you can't remember your investor password, you could change it quite easily by going to Tools, Options, and go to Server. You click Change Password, and you could change your password over there. So you say Change Investor Password, and you have to put in your master password, which hopefully you remember, and you would change your investor password. Once you've got your investor password, you will add it to this password here. You'll pick your broker. In this case, it will be BYBIT Live. You'll select BYBIT Live, your subscription fee, how much you'd like to subscribe or users pay to subscribe to your signal, and then you'll click create. So what is a signal for? So essentially it is a subscription to your trade signal. So if you've got a trading community or a Telegram group and you want to somehow monetize your trading calls, this is an excellent way of doing it. Or if you're just a good trader and you want to, have it up on the BYBIT or the MT5 platform, once the BYBIT users start getting more and more and more, they'll be looking for signals. So if you're a good trader and you have positive results and you could show those results on the MT5 platform, then people will start subscribing to your signal. So once it's created, you'll actually come up to a page like this. I've created a signal called BYBIT AlgoTrading Live. As you can see here, it says it's not available in the showcase because it hasn't got enough ratings, so it hasn't got enough people subscribing to it, or hasn't got enough trades or whatever it is. So it's not publicly available on the MT5 signal showcase, and it's not available in the MetaTrader terminal. But I have created the signal and I can't start offering it for as subscriptions. So what you would need to do, if you want to say subscribe to my signal or subscribe to somebody else's signal, you'll just click in here and you'll click BYBIT. This is a search function. So let me just view my toolbox to see my search results. So I'll click BYBIT, I'll click search, and this is my search results, and you'll go to signal, and there you could see my BYBIT AlgoTrading Live signal. Okay, now to subscribe to the signal, I can't subscribe because it's my own signal, but I'll show you you go to the signal section, you navigate it, and you click how it works, and this will show you basically how you subscribe. So if we go all the way to the top, you'll see there's a whole bunch of signals. So if you click signals here, you'll see a whole bunch of signals, that are available for subscription. Some of them you won't see, so then that's why you'd have to use the search. You would click on one that you like. You could read about it. You could do a filter. What's the profit? What's the drawdown? What's the growth, etc., etc. And once you find the signal that you like, you'll say subscribe to the signal, and then it will ask you, what payment method you want to use. So it's either MQL5, Visa, PayPal, or Union Pay. And then once you've found the signal, you don't want to trade all the signals all the time. So this actually lets you configure how much of your actual deposit or equity that you want to use for signals. So in this case, you'll go to Tools, Options, Signals. I'm not subscribed to any signals, so I can't check any of these boxes. But you agree to the terms of use. You would enable real-time signal subscription, copy stop loss and take profit levels, synchronize position without confirmation. So, if you are on the go and you just want to trade when that signal trades, then you would click that. You could say, only use 10% or 5% or 50% of my deposit. Let's say you've got $100 in, you only want to use $50 for signal. You'll say use no more than $50. Stop if the equity is less than, you could also decide, you could say $50 or anything like that, and then you would put what your slippage is or your spread is. So in the case of BTC, but you would use your spread settings over here. So in the case of BTC, you would add this to 10 because some brokers have higher slippage than others. But generally what you want to do when subscribing to a signal, subscribe to a signal that uses the same broker as you. That is very, very important. So the only advice I could give you when subscribing to a signal is make sure that if you're on the BYBIT MT5 platform, that you subscribe to a signal that is on the BYBIT MT5 platform. And another caveat about signals is that you need to be trading on the MetaTrader 5 terminal in order to create a signal subscription, and those signals would only work with inside MetaTrader. So if you're trading, spot or derivative trading on the BYBIT platform, those signals will not come through to the MetaTrader. You need to be trading on the MetaTrader 5 platform. Okay, so that is basically it. So that is signals. Very quick video. It's very, very simple to set up, to create a signal and to subscribe to a signal. All the information that you need is in these help files. So there's, it's very basic. I'm just trying to highlight the point that this is something that is there, and it is a way for you to earn extra money, with your signals or with your calls. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, please like, turn on notifications. Check out the links below. I'm offering a lot of specials at the moment, while BYBIT and MT5 is maturing on BYBIT. So check out the links below, and we'll see you guys soon. Cheers.